Optionify, more product options. How to install. A step-by-step guide to installing and activating, finding and installing the app. Navigate to the Apps section. From your Shopify admin dashboard, locate the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Apps. A small pop-up menu will appear with recommendations. Access the Shopify App Store. In the pop-up menu, click on All Recommended Apps. At the bottom of the next screen, click on the link that says Discover More in the Shopify App Store. This will take you to the main app marketplace. Search for the app. Once you are in the Shopify App Store, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Optionify, more product options, and press enter. Click on the app from the search results to go to its official page. Install the app. On the app's page, you'll see details about its features and pricing. Click the install button. You will be redirected back to your Shopify admin to a page that details the permissions the app needs. Review this information and click install again in the top right corner. Approve the subscription. You will now see a page to approve the app's subscription. Choose your preferred payment method if prompted. Click the Approve button to finalize the subscription and complete the installation. Quick Start. Create a sample product. After installation, you'll be taken to the app's dashboard for a quick start. To see how the app works, you can create a sample product. Select a product category from the options provided, such as clothing or jewelry. Click the Create Product button. This is a crucial final step to make the app's features visible on your live store. Begin the activation process. After creating a sample product, a pop-up window will appear with an important message. This message instructs you to activate the app block for the current theme. It will display a 3-step visual guide. Click the Activate App for Publish Theme button to be taken to your theme editor. Navigate to App Embeds in the theme editor. If you are not taken there automatically, go to Online Store. Themes from your Shopify admin. Click the Customize button on your current theme. In the theme editor, look for the vertical menu on the left side and click on the App Embeds icon. It looks like a puzzle piece. Enable the Product Options app. In the App Embeds panel, you will see a list of available app integrations. Locate Product Options or Optionify, more product options. Click the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. Save your changes. Once the app is enabled, a Save button will appear in the top right corner of the screen. Click it to apply the changes. A Changes Saved confirmation will briefly appear at the bottom of the screen. Congratulations! You have successfully installed and activated the Optionify, more product options app on your Shopify store. You can now go back to the app's dashboard to begin creating custom options for your products. Optionify, more product options. Quick Start. Create a sample product. From the Optionify app dashboard, click the green Quick Start button in the top right corner. A Quick Start pop-up window will appear, presenting several product categories: e-wear, clothing, perfume, shoe. Select a category for your sample product. In this video, clothing is chosen. Click the green Create Product button. Activate the app block. After creating the product, a new pop-up will appear with an important notice. Please activate the app block for the current theme before viewing the product for the first time. There are 2 primary ways to proceed as shown in the video. Option A, direct activation. Click the blue Activate App for Publish Theme button. This will take you directly to the theme customization settings. Option B, manual navigation. Under Themes, find your current theme and click the Customize button. Enable the app embed. Once in the theme editor, look for the vertical menu on the left side. Click on the App Embeds icon. It looks like a puzzle piece. You will see a list of app embeds. Locate Product Options by Optionify. Toggle the switch next to it to the on position. Click the Save button in the top right corner of the theme editor. A Changes Saved notification will briefly appear at the bottom. View your sample product. Navigate back to the Optionify app dashboard. In the Quick Start pop-up, click the green View Product button. You will be taken to the product page for the sample clothing item you created. You can now see the product options that Optionify has added, such as a Select Color drop-down menu and a text input field. You have now successfully completed the Quick Start process for the Optionify app. You can see how the app adds custom options to your product pages. Optionify, more product options. Add custom fields under a template. From the Shopify admin panel, Navigate to and open the Optionify More Product Options app. Go to Templates. On the app's main dashboard, you'll see several navigation tabs at the top. Click on the Templates tab. Creating a new template add. New template. On the Templates page, click the blue plus Add New Template button located on the right side of the screen. Name the template. A pop-up window titled Create New Template will appear. In the Enter Template Name field, type a name for your new template. In the video, the user types Test Template. Create. Click the Create button at the bottom right of the pop-up window. A confirmation message, Template has been created, will briefly appear at the bottom of the screen. Adding and configuring a new field edit options, you will now see your newly created template in the list. To the right of your template's name, click the blue Edit Options button. Add new fields. You are now on the template or your template name page. Click the blue plus Add New Fields button. Configure the field, and Add New Option pop-up window will appear. Fill in the following details. Field name, for admin use only. Enter a name for the field. In the video, the user types Test. Display text. Enter the text that will be visible to customers. The user types Test. Field type. Click the drop-down menu and select the type of field you want to add. In this case, the user selects Checkbox. Required, check the box next to Required to make this option mandatory for the customer. Field values and prices. Click Add a Raw to add an option. In the Enter Value field, type the value for the option, e.g., test value. In the Enter Price field, enter the additional price for this option, e.g., 10. Save the field. Click the Add button at the bottom right of the pop-up window. You will see a confirmation option has been saved, and the new field will be listed on the template page. Assigning the template to a product, go back to Templates. Click on the Templates tab in the top navigation to return to the list of templates. Bulk products. Add Edit. Find your test template in the list and click the bulk products. Add Edit button next to it. Select a product. A pop-up window will appear with a list of your products. Scroll through the list and check the box next to the product you want to apply this template to. In the video, the user selects T-shirt, test product. Add to product. Click the Add button at the bottom right of the pop-up. Verifying on the storefront, navigate to Products. Click on the Products tab in the top navigation. Find the product. Scroll down the product list and click on the name of the product you just edited, which is T-shirt test product. Activate and preview. On the Products option page, ensure the status is set to active. Click the Preview button to see the changes on your live store. Test on Product page. On the Product page, you will now see the new Test checkbox option with the additional cost displayed, e.g., test value has $10. An error message, Test is required, appears if you try to add to cart without selecting it. Check the box. A message, Selections will add $10 to the price, will appear. Add to cart. Click the Add to Cart button. A pop-up will confirm the item has been added. View Cart as Checkout. Click on View Cart or the cart icon to go to your cart. You will see the product with the added option, and the subtotal will reflect the additional cost, e.g., $1,010. Proceeding to checkout will also show the updated price, including the main product price and the customization cost. You have now successfully added a custom field to a product using a template in the Optionify More Product Options app. Optionify More Product Options. To add or enable custom fields to multiple products, first, let's observe the initial state of the product pages. In the video, we can see two products, a personal computer and a T-shirt. Initially, neither of these products has any custom options or fields displayed on their respective pages. The video starts on the Templates tab. This is where you can create and manage templates for your product options. Select a template. The video shows a few existing templates, All, Test, and Test template. The user decides to use the Test template. Use Bulk Products, Add, Edit. For the Test template row, click on the Bulk Products Add, Edit button in the Actions column. This feature allows you to apply the selected template to multiple products simultaneously. Add the template to products. A pop-up window titled Add Template to Products will appear. This window lists all the products in your store. Select the products. Scroll through your product list and check the boxes next to the products you want to add the custom fields to. In the video, the user selects Personal Computer T-shirt. Apply the template. After selecting the desired products, click the Add button at the bottom right of the pop-up window. Confirmation. The system will then apply the test template to the selected products. You can close the pop-up window by clicking the X in the top right corner. Verifying the changes. After applying the template, it's important to check the product pages to ensure the custom fields have been added correctly. Personal Computer Product Page. When the Personal Computer page is refreshed, you will now see the new custom option added. In this case, it's a checkbox with the label Test Value plus $10. T-shirt product page. Similarly, upon refreshing the T-shirt product page, the same Test Value plus $10 checkbox option is now visible. This process demonstrates an efficient way to add the same set of custom options to multiple products in your store without having to edit each product individually. Thanks for watching. Optionify, more product options. Activating custom fields for a product. This guide will walk you through the process of adding and activating custom product options using both a new field and a pre-existing template within the Optionify app on your Shopify store. Adding a new custom field, navigate to the Products section. From the main dashboard of the Optionify and click on the Products tab in the top navigation menu. Select a product. You will see a list of all your products. Scroll through the list to find the product you wish to modify. In this example, we will select hoodie. Click on the product title to open its options settings. Create a new field. On the Options for Hoodie page, click the plus Add New Fields button. Configure the new option. An Add New Option pop-up window will appear. You need to fill in the following details. Field name, for admin use only. Enter a name for the field that will only be visible to you in the admin panel. For instance, type Add New Option. Display text. Enter the text that will be displayed to customers on the product page. This can be the same as the field name, Add New Option. Field type. Click the drop-down menu and select the type of option you want to add. For this demonstration, select Checkbox. Required, check the box if you want to make this option mandatory for the customer. Field values and prices. Click Add a Row. Enter the value for the option, e.g., Add New Option, and the additional price for this selection, e.g., $20. Click the Add button at the bottom right of the pop-up to save this new option. Activate the new field. Back on the Options for Hoodie page, you will see the newly created field with the status of inactive. Click the toggle switch to change the status to active, adding an option from a template. Add from template. To add an option from a saved template, click the Add from Template button. Select an existing template. In the Add option from Template pop-up, click the drop-down menu under Select from Existing Options. Choose the template you wish to apply. For this example, select Test Template. Add the template option. Click the Add button to apply the template options to your product. The fields from the template will now appear in the Product Custom Fields and Price section. Previewing the changes on your store previews the product. To see how the new options appear on your live store, click the Preview button at the top right of the Product Custom Fields and Price section. View on the product page. The product page will open in a new tab. You will now see the newly added checkboxes below the standard product variants. When a customer selects these options, a message will appear indicating the additional cost. For example, selecting both options will show a message like, "Selections will add 30." You have now successfully added and activated custom product options for your selected product. Optionify, more product options. Delete or edit custom fields for a product. Here's a detailed guide on how to delete and edit product custom fields using the Optionify, more product options app in Shopify, as demonstrated in the video. Managing product custom fields. You can easily manage the custom fields or options you've created for a product. Here is a guide on how to delete or edit them. How to delete a custom product option. Navigate to the option. In the app's interface, under the Product Custom Fields and Price section, locate the field you wish to remove. Initiate deletion. To the right of the field details, click the red Delete button. Confirm the action. A confirmation pop-up will appear with the message, "This action will remove the option from your store. Do you wish to continue?" Click OK to permanently delete the option. Verify deletion. The field will be removed from the list, and a confirmation message will appear at the bottom of the screen stating that the option has been deleted. On the live product page, this option will no longer be visible to customers. How to edit a custom product option. Navigate to the option. Find the custom field you want to modify within the Product Custom Fields and Price list. Open the Edit menu. Click the Edit button associated with that field. Make your changes. An Edit option window will appear. Here you can change various details such as the field name, display text, field type, and the price. In this demonstration, the price in the Field Values and Prices section is being updated from 20 to 30. Save the update. Once you have finished making your edits, click the Update button at the bottom of the window. Verify the changes. The Edit option window will close, and the list will now show the updated information. For instance, the price will now display as 30. A confirmation message will also appear stating, "Option has been updated." The changes will be immediately reflected on your storefront for customers to see. Optionify, more product options. Show maximum characters, text. Here's a detailed guide on how to display the maximum character count for a product option in your Shopify store using the Optionify, more product options app. Enabling the maximum character display, navigate to App Settings. Within the Optionify More Product Options app dashboard, begin by clicking on the App Settings tab located in the top navigation menu. Locate Custom Field Settings. On the App Settings page, scroll down to find the Custom Field Settings section. Enable the feature. You will see an option labeled Show Maximum Characters Text. According to the on-screen tip, enabling this will display a note indicating the maximum number of characters allowed for input. Click the checkbox to the left of this option to activate it. Save your changes. After checking the box, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the green Save Settings button. A confirmation message, "Settings have been saved," will appear briefly to confirm the update. Verifying the change on your storefront. Go to the product page, switch to the public view of your product page that uses this custom text field. Refresh the page. Reload the product page to ensure the new settings are applied. Observe the result. You will now see that the text input field has been updated. The label will now include a note indicating the character limit. For example, enter text, maximum 100 character. This setting is now active, and your customers will be clearly informed of the character limit for that specific product option. Optionify, more product options. Show extra price after options select. Setting navigate to App Settings. From your Shopify dashboard, go to the Optionify More Product Options app. Click on the App Settings tab at the top of the page. Locate Custom Field Settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Custom Field Settings. Within this section, you will find an option called Show Extra Price After Options Select. Initially, the checkbox next to it is unchecked. As seen on the product page, we're selecting Add New Option plus $10 does not display any additional price text. Activate the feature. Click the checkbox next to Show Extra Price after Options Select to enable this feature. Save your changes. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click the green Save Settings button. A confirmation message, "Settings have been saved," will appear briefly. Verifying the change on the product page. Refresh the product page. Go back to the product page that has the custom option and refresh it. Select the option. Now, when you click the checkbox for Add New Option plus $10, a new line of text will appear just above the Add to Cart button stating, "Selections will add $10 to the price." This confirms that the setting has been successfully applied, and customers will now see the additional cost clearly displayed when they select a paid option. Thanks for watching. Optionify, more product options. Custom CSS. From the App Settings tab, Custom CSS can be changed as shown in the video from the App Settings tab. Now let us see how we can change custom CSS. As you can see here that custom CSS is for advanced users. You can also see the text showing that change CSS style of apps generated HTML in web page. On the right side, you can see the text showing custom CSS. If you have good knowledge about CSS, then you can add your custom CSS here. If you want to override any existing CSS class, please use !important end of each CSS property. Now let us apply codes to show red color in the product title. So after saving and seeing save confirmation message, let us check storefront before page refresh. No changes were there. After page refresh, we can see that product title is showing in red color. Thanks for watching.